My name's Phil Scott. I'm one of the owner-directors of RibRide, and RibRide is an adventure boat tour company based in North Wales on the Menai Strait. At RibRide, we operate adventure boat tours on ribs, and these ribs are propelled by large petrol engines. We realise that it's our responsibility to reduce the impact of those petrol engines on the environment, either by improving the boats or the propulsion system, or a combination of both. And this is the start of our journey in order to find the answers. With Smart Innovation, when we contacted them, we were already aware that we needed to lower our carbon outputs on the boats. So Smart Innovation for us is a tool that will enable us to look at how we can do it and how we can connect to the people that can help us. But the whole point of this fund is not to keep that advantage for ourselves. However, if we can share that amongst the maritime community, it not only makes other businesses better, but it makes Wales be seen as the place where that advance, that innovation has come from. And in the end, we all end up winning. If other businesses are aware that this fund exists and can help them improve, then Wales can become the place that people look at as being a place where innovation and improvement can come from. Decarbonisation is an essential part of all of our journeys, whether it's personal or business. And the most important thing for other businesses is to start the journey now.